Materials needed: playing cards 18-20 pieces, glue stick, and a key card. Start by applying glue at the back of the key card, then paste the next card into it. Press down the card to evenly spread the glue. Make sure that the cards are aligned, and repeat the process. This process takes around 10 minutes. Fast forward. Remove excess glue by rubbing it. The heat from the friction helps remove the glue. Now, it's all ready to dry up. Leave it to dry underneath a stack of books. Or you can also use a deck press. Leave it to dry for at least 3 hours. Tutorial. Have the spectator select a random card. Let the spectator sign the card. Now, while the spectator is signing the card, you have to bring the gimmick block to the top portion of the cards. Do an overhand shuffle with the cards. Make sure to take the block first, and then do a regular overhand shuffle. Now, the block is on the top. You have to do this while they're signing the card. Now, you do a swing cut. Take about half of the cards with your index finger. Ask the spectator to place their card back. Now, just dribble the rest of the cards on top of it. Now, the chosen card seems to be lost in the deck. Do another overhand shuffle. This time stripping away the cards that covers the key card. Now, just simply transfer the remaining cards. Place the cards facing down on the floor or table. Now take the rubber band and explain that it will cut exactly to their chosen card. Make a rectangular shape with the rubber band. Place it on the surface around the cards, and then let it go. It will magically cut to the selected card. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.